So first things first, we're gonna do a Google search for Natural Reader and Google Play. And we're gonna go ahead and click on the very first link here, Natural Reader Text-to-Speech. It's gonna pop up a window, and then we're gonna click Install. It'll go through this process, and then I can click Open. The app is designed for mobile, we understand. We're gonna pick a voice. I'm gonna go with Adam because he's right there.
He couldn't help but smile as he watched the sunrise of Isaac.
Log in with my email. And here's our app. Okay, so I have a book here. Let's see if we can get it read.
Dinosaurs, the voice guide, changing families, believe Bradley Brown, Mark Brown.
All right, that was pretty good. Let's take another picture.
Context. Force but they need black hair as well. After the voice living in the home area, visiting your parent, having two.
All right, I can also adjust the speed here. I'm an avid podcast listener at 2 times speed. You can find the speed that's good for you. You have a lot of options. All right, so you can use this app to read any physical book that you want. It's pretty cool. So that's the app version of Natural Reader, and you'll need that if you ever want to scan documents like I just showed you. For everyday use and for just navigating the web, you can use the Chrome extension. So I'll show you how to get that. So we're going to search Natural Reader Chrome extension. We'll click on that first link. We'll click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Now it's here, but it's hidden. So we're going to click on that little puzzle piece, and I'm going to pin it to Chrome so you can just see it there. Now I'm going to go to ixl.com. And let's say I want to read what's on the page. I can click on that little extension. Now I have my little N for Natural Reader. And I have my speed and I have my voice.
IXL is personalized learning. PE pre-K. Counting objects inside and outside.
But I can also click on things.
Comparing numbers, names of shapes, letter names, and sound. Language arts, 193 skills, 100. Multiplying, dividing, bar graphs, pronouns, announcement, Mr. Please design something awesome. Take a look at the YouTube video I've attached around the 8-minute 30-second mark. To get a feel for what our mission is to provide a successful educational experience for all children through a comprehensive academic and character education program.